Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year 2024, and this is me first time posting a video with voiceover. I just wanted to thank everyone because right now I have 1800 subscribers, and yeah, almost we are going to reach 2000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, thank you for supporting me. And going forward, I'm planning to post more videos with voiceovers, especially for design tutorials. And you can also get to see a lot of vlogs, design vlogs. And this is something that I wanted to change this year because I always wanted to talk to you guys, but for some reason I feel like I'm more comfortable sharing visually than talking. So yes, I'm an introvert, so this year I wanted to come out of my comfort zone, like doing videos where I can talk with you all and share what I'm doing. So I can't be really like some typical YouTuber, but I try to do it in my way. And also, it's 2024, a whole new year, and it's never too late to start from scratch. So if you're interested in anything, just start it, just do it, don't think too much. That's what I believe. And if you are watching this video, take this as a sign and take that first step, even if it's scary. Just do it, like me, like how I'm doing it now. So yeah, once again, happy new year, and more things are waiting for you in this channel. So meanwhile, you can also connect with me on Instagram or X to check what I'm up to. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.